AI isn't coming for your job someday, it's already here. From offices to factories, automation is changing how we work faster than anyone predicted. Every day, new tools and systems pop up that can do what we do, only faster, cheaper, and without ever needing a lunch break. Welcome back to Cleverstack Labs, where we explore how AI is reshaping the workplace. Today we're diving into the jobs AI is replacing faster than you think, and more importantly, what you can do to stay ahead. So, let's get started and see where you fit in the future of work. Let's kick things off with a job that's all about repetition and precision: data entry. For decades, data entry clerks have been the backbone of offices everywhere, quietly ensuring that information is recorded, organized, and accessible. Their work is essential, but it's also highly repetitive, involving the same tasks day in and day out. Today, AI software doesn't just process data faster, it does it with a level of accuracy and consistency that humans simply can't match. These systems can handle enormous volumes of information in a fraction of the time, and they don't get distracted or make careless mistakes. No typos, no fatigue, just pure, relentless efficiency. While a human might need a coffee break or a day off, AI keeps working around the clock, never slowing down or losing focus. According to a McKinsey report, up to 800 million jobs could be automated by 2030, and data entry is right at the top of that list. The scale of this shift is massive, affecting millions of workers worldwide. Automation tools now fill out massive spreadsheets, complete forms, and generate detailed reports in seconds, tasks that used to take teams of people hours or even days to finish. Tools like optical character recognition, or OCR, and robotic process automation, or RPA, scan, extract, and log data 24/7. They can read handwritten notes, printed forms, and even images, turning them into usable digital information instantly. Even small businesses are jumping on board, adopting cloud-based platforms that handle invoices, receipts, and customer lists automatically. No more manual entry, no more late nights catching up on paperwork. It's cheaper, faster, and the software never takes a break. Business owners can focus on growth and strategy, while the digital tools handle the grunt work. These systems are constantly learning and improving. They adapt to new data formats, correct their own errors, and even flag inconsistencies for human review, making them smarter with every update. Human error can lead to costly leaks or mistakes, but AI platforms come equipped with encryption, strict access controls, and audit trails to keep sensitive information safe. More and more companies are realizing that trusting sensitive information to a machine can actually be safer than relying on people, especially when it comes to large-scale data management. The traditional role of the data entry clerk is vanishing quickly. Offices that once buzzed with the sound of keyboards are now eerily quiet, as automation takes over and job postings disappear. But this isn't the end of the story. People are moving into new roles, like data validation, AI oversight, or even training these intelligent systems to perform better. If you're in data entry, now's the time to adapt. Learn to manage, monitor, and collaborate with these digital colleagues. Upskilling is the key to staying ahead. The real opportunity now is to be the human in the loop, the person who ensures the AI does its job right, catches subtle errors, and brings critical thinking to the table. Pivot, upskill, and you'll not only stay relevant, you'll thrive in the new world of work. Next up, let's talk about telemarketing, a job that's been a staple for decades. For years, telemarketers have been the voice on the other end of the line, pitching products, conducting surveys, and following up on leads. It's a role that's required patience, resilience, and a knack for persuasion. Now, AI voice systems can hold natural conversations almost indistinguishable from human callers. These advanced systems can mimic human speech patterns, adapt their tone, and even respond to subtle cues in real time, making them incredibly effective at engaging customers. By 2025, 80% of customer service organizations are expected to use generative AI to handle calls and inquiries. This rapid adoption is transforming the industry, as businesses look for ways to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Chatbots, interactive voice response, and AI avatars can recognize tone, emotion, and context in real time. They can adjust their approach based on a customer's mood, making conversations feel more personal and less robotic. These systems upsell, cross-sell, and handle objections just like seasoned telemarketers, without fatigue. They never need a break, and they can work around the clock, reaching customers in different time zones effortlessly. AI can make thousands of calls per hour, personalize conversations, and analyze responses to improve its pitch. With every interaction, the system learns and refines its approach, becoming more effective over time. For companies, this slashes costs and delivers a consistent customer experience. AI ensures that every customer receives the same level of service, no matter when they call or who they speak to. The demand for human telemarketers is shrinking fast. As automation takes over routine calls, many traditional roles are disappearing, leading to a major shift in the job market. But there's still a need for humans in complex, high-touch sales or support situations. When a conversation requires deep understanding, negotiation, or empathy, human skills remain irreplaceable. The key is moving up the value chain, focus on relationship building, empathy, and creative problem solving. These are the qualities that set people apart from machines and create lasting business relationships. Learn about conversational AI tools and digital sales techniques to stay ahead. Upskilling in these areas will help you adapt and thrive as the industry evolves. The future belongs to those who blend tech with a human touch. By combining the efficiency of AI with uniquely human strengths, you can carve out a rewarding role in the new world of sales and customer service. Let's move to the world of numbers, bookkeeping. For generations, bookkeepers have been the backbone of every business, meticulously recording transactions and ensuring financial accuracy. But today the landscape is changing faster than ever before. Machine learning tools are transforming the industry at warp speed. Algorithms now handle tasks that once took hours or even days to complete. The digital revolution is not just about speed, it's about redefining what's possible in accounting. AI-driven accounting platforms automate everything from data entry and expense tracking to generating financial reports and detecting fraud. These systems can process vast amounts of data with incredible accuracy, reducing human error and freeing up valuable time. These platforms connect to your bank, scan receipts, and categorize transactions in real time. They seamlessly integrate with other business tools, making financial management smoother and more efficient than ever before. No more stacks of paper or endless spreadsheets. The days of sifting through receipts and reconciling accounts by hand are quickly disappearing, replaced by streamlined digital workflows. AI-powered systems don't make mistakes due to fatigue or distraction, and they flag inconsistencies immediately. This means errors are caught before they become costly problems, and compliance is easier to maintain. Business owners get real-time dashboards showing cash flow, profit margins, and tax obligations. Instant access to up-to-date financial insights empowers smarter, faster decision-making. The traditional role, manual entry, monthly reconciliations, is fading. Bookkeepers are no longer just data entry clerks. Their responsibilities are evolving as technology takes over routine tasks. Bookkeepers are evolving into advisors, helping clients interpret trends and use AI tools more effectively. They're becoming partners in business growth, offering insights that drive strategy and success. Learn to analyze financial data and offer strategic advice. Developing these skills will set you apart in a world where automation handles the basics. The human touch is shifting from doing the work to guiding the process. Your expertise is needed to interpret results, explain options, and help clients make informed decisions. Embrace these tools to deliver more value to clients. The future of bookkeeping is not just about keeping records, it's about leading the way in a new era of intelligent accounting. Now let's step inside the factory. AI-powered robots handle everything from assembly and packaging to quality control, tasks that used to require large teams. These robots use computer vision to inspect products, adjust movements in real time, and predict maintenance needs. The result? Fewer errors, less waste, and production lines that run around the clock. Even traditional manufacturers are adopting automation for higher output and better consistency. For workers, this means fewer roles on the floor, but more technical, higher-value jobs. The jobs that remain require skills like programming robots, maintaining AI systems, or analyzing production data. Future-proof your career by learning about robotics, automation control, and data analytics. Smart factories are happening now, not in the future. Become the human that makes the machines smarter. Let's talk about retail, a sector that touches almost everyone. AI is automating nearly every aspect of the in-store experience. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered chatbots are everywhere, handling transactions and customer questions. Inventory management systems predict demand and trigger automatic reorders. For retailers, it means less payroll and faster transactions. For workers, it means fewer entry-level positions and a shift in what's expected. The most valuable employees now manage these systems or deliver exceptional customer service that AI can't replicate. Embrace technology, develop digital skills, and focus on the human side: empathy, creativity, and problem-solving. Retail is changing fast, but there's a place for those who adapt and innovate. Now, let's take a look at the delivery game, a field seeing dramatic changes thanks to AI. With autonomous vehicles and drones, companies like Amazon and FedEx are transforming logistics. Drones deliver packages to your doorstep, while self-driving vehicles follow optimized routes and operate day and night. The result? Faster, cheaper deliveries that don't rely on human schedules. Drones use computer vision to navigate, and delivery bots use AI-based route planning. For consumers, it means quicker, more reliable deliveries. For courier companies, it's about slashing costs and scaling up. Human couriers are still needed in some areas, but routine deliveries are shifting to automation. Learn about fleet management, drone operations, or AI-based route optimization to stay relevant. The smartest workers are leveraging these tools, not fighting them. Finally, let's talk about banking, a cornerstone of everyday life. Fewer tellers are behind the counter as online banking and AI chatbots transform financial services. Customers interact with AI-powered assistants for transactions and basic advice. No need to wait in line. AI revolutionizes fraud detection, loan approvals, and risk assessment, analyzing data in real time. For banks, this means fewer branches and lower staffing costs. The traditional teller role is disappearing, but new roles are emerging in digital support and fintech. Develop skills in fintech, cybersecurity, or customer relationship management. The industry is moving toward hybrid roles that combine human judgment with AI tools. The future of banking is digital first, but it still needs people in specialized roles. AI is replacing jobs faster than we think, but it's also creating new ones. The key isn't to fear automation, but to understand it and position yourself where technology needs a human mind. Upskill, adapt, and keep your curiosity alive. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone thinking about their career in the age of AI. What job do you think AI will take over next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.